In this video, I will teach you how to add music to your profile, to your Facebook profile. So first, you're on Facebook app, then you will go to your profile, press that, and then in your profile, you will scroll down. As you can see here, there is photos, music, and did you know? You will press the music button. Then you will search. I will try my favorite music from QC. This one, I will add this. Added. Now, cancel. Back to music. Now it is added, and you will press the three dots button. Then pin to your profile. Now song has been pinned. So let's go to our profile now. Okay. Now it's there. Let's try to play this.
Yeah. QC Part 2. Yeah. Vibe beats. Here we go.
Tinitigasan na naman ako sa iyong ganda. Dahil sa iyong ganda, ako'y napatanga. Susunod.
Alright, so that's it. Very simple.